Congrats on graduating! Thank you for being a good older brother to us. We're very proud of you for this accomplishment kasi alam namin na pinaghirapan mo talaga. And yeah, we're very proud of you talaga even if we're not that vocal about it. And we'll always be here to support you.
Good job, Kuya, on keeping up the hard work, and everyone is proud of you. Okay. Happy birthday!
Congratulations on your graduation, Kuya. Alam kong pinaghirapan mo yan, kaya i-enjoy this moment. Ikaw lang naman nakakaalam kung gaano kahirap lahat ng pinagdaanan mo. I'm so proud of you, and alam kong yung buong family natin sobrang proud sa'yo and sa mga magiging accomplishments mo pa. Don't be too hard on yourself and huwag kang ma-pressure sa future mo. Yun lang. Congrats. I love you.
Hi Omar! Congratulations on your latest achievement. Another chapter in your life is finally coming to a close, but I know na excited ka na just as much as we are for the next chapter of your journey. I hope you know na dito lang kami lagi. Ako, si Lara, and si Amir. We're always gonna be right behind you, supporting you every step of the way. I miss you and I'm so proud of you. Congratulations!
Hello Omar, just want to say congratulations to you and to the both of us sa graduation natin, and I wish na maging successful tayo one day in God's plan. Thankful din ako because naging friend ko kayo ni Papa Bert, and ayun lang, again, congratulations, and I just know life has even more wonderful things in store for you. Isama ko lang pala yung short clip sa Baguio trip with Omania family, and cheers to many more adventures.
Hi Omar, congratulations. And alam mo naman na hindi naman tayo ganito, pero ayun, gusto ko malaman mo na sobrang proud ko sa'yo and sa mga achievements mo. And dati pinag-uusapan pa lang natin to, tapos ngayon you're on your way to reaching your dreams na. And then lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo. Congratulations ulit, and so proud of you talaga.
Hello, B! Sana na-surprise ka! Congrats on being the first graduate sa ating friend group. Miss na kita. Sana magkita tayo sa Cebu soon! Or sa Manila, or sa Qatar, or kung saan man.
Hi, Omar. Wala lang. Ganda ko lang. Congratulations, kasi graduate ka na. Ano na gagawin mo next? Ano na? Officially unemployed ka na. Congratulations! Nagawa mo siya. I'm so proud of you and I love you. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Omar! Congratulations! Finally, you made it. Super proud and happy kami for you. Finally, tapos na lahat ng struggles mo. On to the next level ka naman ng stress and struggles.
Omar, congratulations sa'yo. Good luck sa magiging career mo. Hindi mo na kailangan mamoblemang gumising na maaga, makakapagpuyat ka na para uminom.
We can't wait to be with you here in Qatar. See you! Bye! Congratulations!
Bye!
Congratulations on your graduation, Omar. And somehow nakita ko paano ka naging estudyante, and hats off ako sa dedication and hard work na binigay mo sa schooling mo. And yun, just keep on exploring and learning para at least hindi ka ma-bored dun sa field na tinatahak mo. So, yun lang. Congratulations and best of luck sa susunod na chapter ng buhay mo.
Hi Bes! Happy birthday! Happy 30th birthday! Magka-age na ulit tayo. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo, lalo na pag may sakit ako. Problema nga lang, hindi mo ma-translate ng Korean yung mga gamot na kailangan ko bilhin. Pero thank you pa rin. Thank you rin sa lagi kang nandyan for me. And see you soon. See you dito sa Korea. Happy birthday!
Hi Doc, happy birthday. Thank you for being one of my friends na I know I can count on even though hindi tayo madalas magkita or magkausap. I know na whenever or wherever I need you, you'll be there for me. And I hope by now, alam mo rin na ganun din naman ako for you. Thank you for always being there and thank you for being a low maintenance friend na hindi natin kailangan mag-update even for months, pero alam nating nandyan pa rin tayo para sa isa't isa. I hope na makapagtsikahan tayo soon, hindi lang tayo sa volleyball nagkikita, and I know na mas magaling ka pang doktor, so pagbutihin mo lang, and yung pagiging derma mo, ikaw na ang bahala. Thank you, I love you, happy birthday.
Hi, Beb. Happy birthday all the way from New Zealand. And I hope na masaya ka sa birthday mo. Oh my God, 30 na tayo. 30 and single. Single ka pa rin ba? But, yeah, I think this is our, it's a good age for us na to get to know more about ourselves and to, para mas mag-focus pa siguro sa sarili natin and sa career natin. But I am really, really proud of you. Nakikita ko lahat ng post mo kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap. I've been a supporter of you since na nasa high school pa tayo. So, I'm really proud of you and believe ako sa kakayahan mo. And you're an inspiration to the young people as well. Na kahit anong mangyari or situation na meron ka, as long as you have the perseverance and tiwala sa sarili mo, you can achieve whatever you want in life. And you're the best example for that. And you're an inspiration to every one of us. So, I'm really, really proud of you, and I know that your family is proud of you, Big is proud of you, and I hope that you're proud of yourselves, of yourself, and I really miss you and hope to catch up with you, and sana makita ko si Big and sila tita and your family, and wala lang, biglang naalala ko yung mga high school moments na katuwa from dati to ngayon na nakikita ko na we are all doing what we wanted to do. So, nakaka-happy lang and nakaka-inspire at tawag dito, nakakatuwang isipin na andito na tayo ngayon sa kung ano yung gusto natin maging. So, ayun lang, and I hope na lagi kayo dyan safe and lagi kang masaya and healthy. So, kita tayo soon. Hopefully, pagbalik ko sa Philippines or pag naka-visit kayo dito sa New Zealand, message mo lang ako. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you!
Happy birthday, Twin! Tambay na tayo ulit pagka nandito ka.
Hi, Doc Ali. Belated happy birthday. And I'm praying for your good health and good luck on your career track.
Happy 30th, Dr. Ali. I wish you the best and the happiest birthday, and congratulations on passing the board exam and becoming a licensed physician. Good luck on your new journey, Doc.
Master Jeric, happy birthday. Wala na, late na. Pero binabati kita ng isang napakalupit na happy birthday. Sana magtagumpay ka sa lahat ng plano mo. Tapos yung mga negosyo mo, pag-igihan mo, sobrang milyonaryo mo na, Don Jeric. Happy birthday ulit. Maraming salamat. Enjoy. See you next time.
Hi Boss Jack. Nako, si Jeric. Isa lang masasabi ko dyan, napakabait talaga niyan. Nung college kami niyan, talagang school bahay lang kami. Hanggang ngayon, work bahay naman. Kaya idol kita, Jack. Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka!
Hi Dre, ang masabi ko lang kay Jeric, way back nung high school days and college days namin, sobrang mapag-aral niyan. Lagi lang siyang nasa library. Kahit ayain mo siyang gumimik o tumambay, gusto niya lang talaga mag-aral. Tapos, sobrang loyal niyan sa partner. At sobrang baby boy din siya ng mami niya, parang ako din. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Dre. Ingat ka palagi. Kita kita soon.
Congratulations, Kuya Pochi! Tita Pochi, I love you. Tita Pochi, I love you. Congrats, I love you.
Si Pochi yan. Of course, he's my fourth eldest niece. Sa lahat ng pamangking ko, he's my favorite nephew. Congratulations!
Si Kuya Pochi yan. Of course, kahit anong gawin ko, lagi niya akong aasarin.
Si Kuya Pochi yan. Of course, ayoko siya kasama sa bahay. Pero, gusto ko siyang kapitbahay.
Congrats, Chi! Galingan mo.
I am your girlfriend. Of course, kapag tapos na ako mag-phone, dapat tapos ka na din.
Hi Kuya Pochi! Happy graduation and congratulations! I'm so proud of you. Sorry kung hindi ako nakapunta, but I'm always here for you no matter what. Yun nga, sabi mo, enjoyin lang ang life. So, enjoyin mo na yan. Happy graduation again!
Hi Chi! Dumating na yung panahon na alam ko na magiging okay na kayo magkakapatid. Kasi lahat kayo nakagraduate na. And every day I pray na sana maging successful kayong lahat. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Kasi hindi mo kami binigo. At ginawa mo yung lahat para makapagtapos ka. I love you and andito lang ako lagi para sa inyo. Congratulations pa.